Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Today, we're not just explaining a concept. Oh no, we're telling a story. A story of a heist. Think digital vaults, a mythical lockpick, and a crime that could literally rewrite the future of money as we know it.
Just think about that for a second. What if everything you own digitally, your entire fortune, was protected by a lock that someone could just click open in an instant?
Now, you might think this is straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. It's a very real question we're facing right now in March 2026, all because of quantum computing. So, to really get a grip on this heist, we gotta first understand the vault they're targeting. For years, we've all put our trust in blockchain. We've seen it as, well, the most secure digital vault ever made. And its strength? It's all in the design. It's decentralized. That means there's no single door to kick down. The vault is literally everywhere at once, a digital fortress spread all over the world.
But, like any good fortress, there's always been a theoretical way to bring it down. A ghost story for hackers, you could say. It's called a 51% attack, a classic brute force heist that, until just recently, needed an absolutely insane amount of computing power. Just impossible.
So, picture this. It's like one single person trying to overpower an entire city full of guards, just through sheer force. That's the basic idea. It was always a problem, sure, but a problem for, our grandkids to worry about. A problem for the distant future.
So, here's the plot twist. What if that distant future wasn't so distant after all? Well, guess what? It's here, and it brought a new toy with it. A new kind of tool. A master key that completely changes the game.
And this tool has a name, Grover's algorithm. Now, this isn't just another piece of code. It's a quantum search algorithm. And this is the mythical lockpick we've been talking about, the one that can open our supposedly unbreakable vault.
So why is this a big deal? It's all about speed. The difference is just mind-blowing. A normal computer searches like you would through a phone book, page by page, name by name. Boring, right? A quantum computer running Grover's algorithm, it's like it opens the phone book and sees every single name on every single page all at the exact same time.
So a problem that would take our best supercomputers years to crack, a quantum computer could solve in like minutes. And that, my friends, brings us to the actual anatomy of the heist, the blueprint for the perfect quantum crime.
So check this out. It shows exactly how this quantum tool makes the crime possible. You see that word, mining? Think of that as the work that guards do to keep the blockchain safe and secure. Well, Grover's algorithm gives one attacker, just one, a kind of super speed. They can outwork all the other honest guards combined. It makes that impossible 51% attack not just possible, but maybe even easy. And here's the plan, step by step. It's a beautiful, elegant, four-step plan to seize total control. The attacker doesn't need to be stronger than any single guard, see? They just have to be faster than all of them put together. And with Grover's algorithm, oh, they are. They really are.
Okay, so let's just pause and think about what this really means for us, for the security of our entire digital world. It means that ghost story we talked about, it's not a story anymore. The theoretical heist is now a practical, step-by-step blueprint.
And just like that, we're in a brand new arms race. On one side, you have the attackers, the quantum code breakers. And on the other, you've got the defenders, scrambling to build brand new kinds of locks, quantum-resistant locks that this master key can't open.
And make no mistake, this isn't just about some crypto coins. We're talking about the future of all secure data. Everything. Your financial records, your healthcare information, everything we trust to be private. Which really leaves us with this one huge provocative question. Is this amazing idea of a decentralized world, this dream we've been building, is quantum computing about to wake us all up from it? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.